Hello guys and welcome to today's trade recap. Today I took another L. I don't know why this is happening to me, but GG's today. Today's trade actually I did like today's trade. I did what I'm supposed to do. I followed my trading plan and my trading rules. I did follow every single step that I told myself that I'm going to do. So my setup, it is actually a plus setup, and my vision on the trade is to take out liquidity, seek out liquidity, break a structure, market structure shift, retrace into imbalances, break a structure again, and take out those low resistance draws on liquidity, those Asian session lows and those London session lows. But very unfortunately, price action today has been some crazy ass shit. I'm going to show you next in the video how did actually price action took a very step to fucking get me out of this trade. So without that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe to motivate me to do even more videos. And yeah, just I just want to fucking document my journey in trading and actually becoming a profitable trader. So today's trade was based on the overall bias, which is bearish. Yesterday we were bearish. Today I kind of like the daily time frame, which was a bearish a little bit, but then on the 4-hour time frame we rejected from a order block, or yeah, from a breaker block. Actually, this was a breaker block, we rejected from it. I saw some bearishness coming into the market, but then I scaled down to the 1 hour to see even more the price action. Hold on, the 1 hour. At Asian session we have these Asian session highs, these Asian session lows. The current market is going down. After that, the price on Asian session retraced from this hourly fair value gap and made those lows, but did not actually on London session did not actually take out these Asian session lows, but then kept consolidating and regenerating more low resistance draws on liquidity to the downside. But then on London session we created these London session lows and London session highs, and then we kept consolidating for a bit, and right when I think at 1:30 p.m. yeah, 1:30 p.m. I guess, right here, we had PPI coming, but did not affect the market really too much, because this is on GBP GPY and the PPI was on USD pair. So we have this order block, prices came up a little bit, we have generating more low resistance draws on liquidity to the downside, but then out of fucking nowhere, which was no fucking news at all. This was the fucking most confused thing that I've seen in my entire fucking life. No news. Has already happened. The next news will be after half an hour, I guess. Nothing is happening. Kept consolidating for fucking too much, and then we fucking pumped like, hold on, let me show you. 72 pips in 1 minute, and then dropped the very next 2 minutes the same 72 pips. Like I remember back in October, I guess, or September, when I set up a trade and my take profit is around 70 to 80 pips, something like that. It take me a whole fucking day, from the beginning of the day to the end of the day, to hit my full take profit. It is that long. Now we are hitting like 72 pips in 1 minute. That is fucking crazy. I hope this Trump fucking finish this tariffs bullshit that is happening right now and actually do something good in the market, because we are not having any good price action in trading at all. We are not having the best market condition in investing. We are not having anything good in the markets. This has been a fucking clown ass show, bro. So, actually, with that candle, we came up, we swept out the London session highs and the Asian session highs, and we took out these highs, and we made a huge bearish SMT with USD GPY. If you want to see that, hold on. USD GPY, we made a huge SMT, bearish SMT, and after that, I said, okay, and let me show you the screenshot really quick so you can see what I'm talking about. Right here, I said, okay, if I see a break of structure right here and a break of the 79% Fibonacci extension, I will take my trade. If I don't see that, I'm not going to take any trades. So I waited, scaled down to the 5-minute to look for more confluences. We have this order block is invalidated, but it was actually on the higher time frame. That's what I marked that out. So we had a break structure right here, then we came back higher to fill in lower time frame imbalances and breaker blocks. So right here we had also a lower time frame bearish SMT with USD GPY. We came down, filled in equilibrium, and then we broke structure on the 1-minute, created this fair value gap and breaker block. Price reversed into it, also filled out equilibrium perfectly. Then break structure again, filled in this fair value gap. This order block has been broken and now become the breaker block. I waited for a 5-minute. Market structure shift right here and the break out of the Fibonacci extension. If you can see, we had break below it, the 79% Fibonacci extension, and actually on the 1-minute, once I saw that and I see it broke below this low, I said, okay, I'm gonna enter. My stops were above these 1-minute highs to invalidate the trade ID, and it did. And my take profits are all the way down to these Asian session lows, because there's a lot of low resistance draws on liquidity was generated at these lows, and I wanted the price to do something like this. Let me draw it to you so you can see it clearly. Liquidity sweep. So this is my clear A plus setup that I always take a trade on when I win a trade. So a liquidity sweep, retracement back into fill in this liquidity sweep, fill in those imbalances, break of structure, retrace into equilibrium or breaker block or fair value gaps, then see a break of structure. I think I did it wrong. So liquidity sweep, retrace, break of structure, then a little bit of retracement on the lower time frames, then I'm enter, price do something like this and hit my take profit. That's what has been doing it for the past days. So this was a plus setup. I do not consider this as a failing trade, because I followed everything that I always do. So I don't know, I still have like more 2 trades to blow my account, but I don't know, man. I don't know, it just feels like I hit rock bottom in trading. After all of these experience, after all of those wins, after all of those losses, I came down now and I seem like I don't know anything, even though I have the fucking experience. But I'm not saying this I'm not talking this shit because I feel like I'm low or something and I'm going to quit. No fucking no, bro. I will never in my entire fucking life quit trading ever, because it will pay off. Hey, look at it from the trading perspective, bro. I may be looking a little bit bearish on the lower time frame, but if you scale up to the higher time frame, I'm definitely bullish. You can say this is trading brain rot or anything, but that is how actually it works. Like if you look at it from the long term perspective, like 3 years, 5 years, I will definitely be in a very, very, very better place, and I will thank my fucking younger self that I didn't quit early. It's too early to quit. I will never, ever, ever in my entire fucking life quit trading. This is the this is the beginning, just the beginning of the trading. I haven't seen a lot of stuff, even though I had a quite some time right now in my trading experience, but this is not still something to quit, or this is not the best time to quit ever. The journey just begins. I shall just put more in work, even though I'm putting a lot of fucking work, a lot of fucking time, a lot of fucking effort, but I'm not seeing results. Who cares about the results? I will fucking keep on working, keep on working, keep on working until the fucking results come over and fucking kill everything and become the fucking king. You see that how it works? You should do that definitely. I don't care about how I lose today. Who cares if like actually is this trade going to fucking decide my my career, bro? No, it is not, and it will never be. This trade should never have been deciding my career in trading. Like imagine me quitting the whole industry of trading, the whole concept, because I just lost a trade, or I just lost a funded account, or I just lost 10 funded accounts, or I just. Who fucking cares? Keep on the journey. It will pay off in the longer term. You will never see results in the short term, bro. You will never. You might see a little bit of results, but then you will hit rock bottom, and then you will start working your ass off every day, every day, every day, every day, no results, every day, every day, every day, no results, every day, every day, every day, no results. But I'm a little bit better. No results, I'm a little bit better. Work, 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 work. No results, but I'm a little bit better. Work, 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 work. No results, but I'm a little bit better. So work, 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 work. No results, but I'm a little bit better. Then it'd be like work, 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 boom. Just like pay off. It will fucking pay off. Like never, you will never ever see this fucking kind of glow up in your fucking entire journey. I will fucking keep my YouTube videos. That's why I'm doing this shit. I'm not doing it for fucking money. I'm not doing it for nothing. These YouTube videos are just for me. For fucking in 5 years I will look them up and fucking tear up and say, thank you bro that you didn't quit. Thank you, bro, that you continued the journey. Thank you, bro, for every effort, for every hour, for every minute that you put in the work and start actually working your ass off. Because it will fucking pay off, and I don't fucking care if I lose a trade, if I lose 10 trades, if I lose 1,000 trades, if I lose 10 funded accounts, if I lose 1,001. I don't give a fuck. I will continue the work. I see the journey. I see the work. I see my future. I can literally see the future, and I can literally see myself winning. I don't give a fuck on the lower time frame, bro. I always scale up to the higher time frame. I don't give a fuck if I lose now, if I keep on losing next year. I don't give a fuck. I said I'm going to make it, that means I'm going to make it, and I don't give a damn fuck. So that's what I'm going through today in my trading, and that's how everybody should treat trading as. So without that being said, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys for looking into my journey in trading and hoping the best of yours at me. I don't know how that's supposed to work, but it is what it is. So without that being said, thank you guys for watching. I catch you guys up tomorrow with a crypto updated video. We have a lot of crypto news in this week, and on Sunday a little motivational video as I always do. And without that being said, peace out, boys.